Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Neo, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up the Google folder, which in it you'll find the contacts. There we go, right over here. Open it up and then navigate to Fix and Manage and select Manage SIM. This in turn will show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card. As you can see, in my case, it's graying out all of them apart from one, and that is because basically all these contacts already exist on this device, or more precisely on the Google account that the phone is trying to import these contacts to by default. But if I tap on the drop-down, I can change the location to something like device, and this will allow me to import all of them because this device contains no contacts whatsoever, so it wouldn't be creating duplicate contacts. So obviously you can change where you import your contacts to. You can also deselect these contacts if you don't want some of them, and then select the import button. This will give you how many contacts have been imported. It also asks you if you want to back it up to your Google account. It doesn't really matter. If you wanted to back it up, you probably would have selected your Google account instead. And then it also asks us keep backup and sync off. So just kind of reaffirms your choice. So yeah, I'm gonna select keep off. And then when we navigate back to contacts, in the case of this device, it is still pulling contacts from the Google account, which you can see listed right over here and also over here. So we can tap on this icon and change to display contacts from the device. And you can see the contacts that I have imported just a moment ago. Obviously, in your case, you can import your contacts to whatever you want, the device, your Google account, it's completely up to you. And from there, also display the contacts from where you want to see them. But in any case, this is how you import your contacts, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.